Hey, good day. Let's create a Java project, name it as data structures, and we can go ahead and create an interface. Before that, we need to create a package com.let's do dot data structures. So we're gonna create a new interface for binary tree. It contains all the method declarations without any implementations. This is a kind of set of rules to our binary tree. Our binary tree has a method called display. So first, for displaying, we need to create it. So we need to have an insert method. Insert method to insert integer data into the tree. So public insert, it takes integer type data as an argument. So let's go and implement it in another package com.let's do dot binary tree. So in order to build a tree, we need to have tree node, as it's a basic building block of a tree. So the tree node mainly contains data in it. So we are planning to keep the data as integer for simplicity. So data is a variable. So the tree node contains link to another tree node. So that is again of tree node type. As we know, the binary tree has left and right child in each node. So each tree node should contain a link to left and right child. So we can make all these variables as private, so that we can make use of getters and setters. So Eclipse can create getters and setters for us. Generate getters and setters, select all, and OK, and Control Shift F for formatting. And we need something else that's called constructor, which takes constructor name should be same as a class name, which takes in the integer type data to store into the tree. So integer distort data is equal to the passed in variable. So with this, our basic unit of the tree is completed. So now we need to create a class which implements the binary tree. So binary tree interface is being implemented by this one, so we need to add the interface. So this is a class called BinaryTreeImpl, which implements the binary tree, which the interface that we have created previously. So this is the insert method. So let's go ahead and implement it. As we discussed earlier, we need to check whether the root node is present or not. So we need to create a root node, tree node, root node. Okay, let's check whether the root node is null or not. Let's make it private so that no one can initialize root node without inserting data, without calling insert method. So if root node is equal to null. Happily we'll create root node. Yeah, then root is equal to new tree node of data. So with this, the first node is inserted. Else, what we do is we'll make use of the queue data structure, queue of tree node. Let's name our queue as queue itself is equal to new queue of tree node. So in order to do this, let's go ahead and import the queue. So cannot instantiate. Yeah, cannot instantiate. This is because we need to add the implementation as a queue is an interface. We need to take its implementation class like priority queue or any other queue that's defined in Java. So java.util.priority queue, we should import that. Okay, then, and we need to keep the root node. Let's declare a tree node of type node. This is a temporary variable to hold the current node. So for now the current node is root, and this loop should continue till it finds a node which does not have left child and or not or the right child. If anything of them is null, then it will return false. Okay. Okay, then we need to insert the left and right children into the queue. That means queue dot offer the node's left child and the node's right child. And then we need to poll the first element and make it as the current node. So this while loop repeats till we find the current node which does not have left or right child. So we got the parent. So if the parent does not contain left node, then we need to add our new node. Yeah, parent dot set left is nothing but we need to add our new tree node to it. Else add our new node to the right of it. So now that we created the insert method, we can insert using a main method inside another class or the same class, binary test, which contains a main method. So inside the main method, we just create binary tree 1 bt.insert 2 3 4 5 any number. Okay, and also we need to make this as comparable type, so that it can be inserted into the queue. So C should be capital, and we should implement all the unimplemented methods. Let us keep it as default, as we want the basic implementation of the queue, that is the first element which is inserted should come out first. So we can, with this we added all the nodes. Let's display that in another video.